Welcome to Breezes on Bardon here on Stuartholme Road. This complex is centrally located close to Rosalie, Paddington, as well as the convenience of having shops located at the bottom of the building. Living here truly simplifies life. No more rushing around or stressing about forgetting items. Just a quick trip downstairs and everything is taken care of. It consists of 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms with a fantastic layout and positioned at the back of the complex to ensure cross ventilation. Unleash your inner chef. This sleek and modern kitchen has been designed perfectly to entertain your family and friends or to unwind after a busy day at work. It flows effortlessly to this open plan concept and your outdoor entertaining area. My name is Stankiewicz and let me guide you home.